Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest train station?
Sure, just go straight down the street and you'll find the station on your left.
Thank you. Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it's just a 10-minute walk from here.
Great. By the way, is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, there's a bus stop at the corner. You can catch a bus that goes directly to the station if you prefer.
Excellent. And after I reach the station, how do I get to the city center?
From the station, take the train heading towards the city center. It's just a few stops away.
Perfect. Is the city center well marked from the train station?
Yes, there are signs inside the station that guide you to the city center exit.
Thank you. What landmarks should I look out for on the way?
You'll pass a large park on your right. Keep going until you see a big shopping mall on your left, and the station is right after that.
Got it. If I need a taxi later, are they readily available at the station?
Yes, there's a taxi stand just outside the station. Taxis are usually waiting there.
That's helpful. Is there a tourist information center around here?
Yes, there's one near the station entrance. They can provide maps and additional information.
Excellent. I might need that. Is there a restroom at the train station?
Yes, there are restrooms on the ground floor, near the ticket counters.
Good to know. By the way, is there a bank or an ATM nearby?
There's a bank across the street, and they have ATMs available.
Thanks. If I want to grab a quick bite to eat, are there any cafes or restaurants close by?
Absolutely. There's a cafe just next to the station, and a few restaurants around the corner.
Perfect. Lastly, is there a pharmacy nearby in case I need one?
Yes, there's a pharmacy a block away from the station.
Thank you so much for all the information. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.